This free tutorial will show you how to export transparent videos for TikTok online social media platform completely for free. If you like what you see, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe to the channel for more.
If you want to learn how I create content online and save hundreds of hours per year, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and enjoy the tutorial. Okay, so to get started to export a transparent video for TikTok online completely for free, I'm going to show you how to do this in Adobe After Effects and Adobe Premiere Pro. Drag your video clip as you did and drag it down below under to render queue, and then you want to change the following options. Render settings, click best settings, and then make sure that the quality is set to best and the resolution is set to full, and click OK. And then below that, under output module, click lossless. And then again, the format, you can change this to QuickTime, as that's what I prefer instead of AVI. And then under video output, you can click channels and make sure that it is set to RGB plus alpha so that you have color and you have a transparent video. And then click OK, and then again click render. In Adobe Premiere Pro, it is pretty straightforward. It's the same thing. I'm going to add an in and an out point, so we're only exporting this because we want this to be a transparent video for TikTok. And then click Ctrl+M on your keyboard. This will bring up the export settings, and then under format, whatever it's currently set, you want to scroll down and then click QuickTime, which is below PNG and above Targa. And then under preset, click GoPro Signform RGB 12-bit with alpha, but in this case we'll click this option at maximum bit depth RGB 12-bit alpha Signform. And then again, you can save it under output name. You can even increase the quality under video, the second option, and then click queue or export. Again, if you want to learn how you can save hundreds of hours and money online per year creating content, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and thanks for watching this tutorial.